Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. This is my name, Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel with practice problems for actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you can find information about online seminars for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I teach, and study manuals for these exams that I wrote. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. In modeling the number of claims filed by an individual under an automobile policy during a 3-year period, an actuary makes the simplifying assumption that for all integers n greater than or equal to 0, Pn plus 1 is equal to 1/5 Pn, where Pn represents the probability that the policyholder files n claims during the period. Under this assumption, what is the probability that the policyholder files more than one claim during the period? And here's the solution. We, of course, have to have the sum from n equal to 0 to plus infinity p sub n equal to 1, because these are probabilities of all possible numbers of claims added up. But also Pn is equal to 1/5 Pn minus 1, which is equal to 1/5 times 1/5 times Pn minus 2, and so on. So it's 1/5 times 1/5 and so on times 1/5 times P0, where 0 is equal to n minus n. So with n minus 1, we have one of those 1/5. With n minus 2, we have 2. And so with n minus n, we have n of them. So really what it is 1/5 to the nth times P0. Pn is equal to 1/5 to the n times P0. It follows that 1, which is the sum from n equal to 0 of Pn, is equal to the sum from n equal to 0 to plus infinity of 1/5 to the nth times P0. That's equal to P0 times the sum from n equal to 0 to plus infinity of 1/5 to the nth. This is a geometric series. The first term is 1. So the sum of the series is equal to 1 over 1 minus the ratio of the series, which is 1/5. So this is 1 over 1 minus 1/5. 1 minus 1/5 is 4/5. The reciprocal of 4/5 is 5/4. And therefore this is equal to 1.25 P0. Well, if that's the case, then P0 is equal to 1 divided by 1.25, and that's 4/5. So P0 is 4/5, and Pn is equal to 4/5 times 1/5 to the nth. And the probability that n is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus the probability that n is 0, minus probability that n is 1. So 1 minus P0 minus P1, which is 1 minus 4/5, minus 1/5 times 4/5. So this is 1 minus 20/25, minus 4/25, or 1 minus 24/25, which is equal to 1/25, which is answer A. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.